Hi, did you know that this is more than a piece of cloth? Well, the Haitian flag is more than history. It is a symbol. It is a mirror that reminds us of where we came from, what our ancestors survived, what unity can accomplish, and what courage can produce. You see, the blue and red are not just colors, they are reminders. Reminders that enslaved people once looked at impossible odds and still chose freedom. Reminders that resilience lives in Haitian blood. And maybe today, the flag is asking us a question. Are we building? Are we educating? Are we supporting each other? Are we preserving culture? Are we leading responsibly? Are we teaching pride instead of shame? Are we becoming the kind of Haitians future generations will thank? Because Haiti's story is not over. Do you believe that? L'Union fait la force tells us that unity still matters. Mais anpil chay patlou says that we still need each other. Piti Piti's oiseau fait nichli tells us that we can still rebuild little by little. And despite all the pain that Haiti has endured, the Haitian people still standing, still fighting. They still singing, they still praying, they still creating, they still dreaming, they still surviving. That is strength. That is resilience right there. That is my Haiti. Haiti is more than its struggles. Haiti is beautiful. Haiti is courage. Haiti is resilience. Haiti is creativity. Haiti is history. As a matter of fact, Haiti is Black history. Haiti is culture. Haiti is strength.